नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया हूँ। JVM प्रोफेसर मंजू शर्मा। प्रोग्राम नेम एम एड फॉर सेम। सब्जेक्ट नेम मैथोलॉजी ऑफ एजुकेशनल रिसर्च। मॉड्यूल नेम हिस्टोरिकल पर्सपेक्टिव इन रिसर्च। Historical research is undertaken to answer questions concerning causes, effects of trend, relating to past events that may shed light on the present practices of behavior. Historical research involves a systematic collection and a critical evaluation of data relating to past of a particular phenomenon. The purpose of historical research designed to collect, verify, and synthesize evidence from the past to establish facts that defend or refute a hypothesis, describe what occurred in the past, depends upon data observed by others rather than investigated. Characteristics. Historical research focus on a careful study and analysis of data about past events. Historical research is a critical investigation of events, their development and experiences of the past, and a careful weighing of evidence of the validity of information of the past and interpretation of the evidence. The purpose of historical research is to gain a clear understanding of the impact of the past on the present and future events related to the life process. It involves detailed analysis of what has been written or done, is used to describe, explain, or interpret these events. Historical research, the written materials, but many include oral documentation is historical research relies on available data, usually in form of written narrative, records of the past, diaries, letters, newspaper, minutes of meeting, reports. Overall, our data are including in historical research, and researchers are using their research. The result of historical research studies contribute to a clear understanding of past, present, or future events. Historical method of research also covers categories such as historical legal documentary, bibliographical, biographical, additional, institutional, and organizational. Sources of for historical research are hospitals records, order sheets, purchase orders. Records are an economical convenient or source of information. Example of hospital records, but educational use in educational records like a register, peers details, students detail overall are uh, include in historical. Steps of historical research, data collection, criticism of the data, presentation of the facts, data collection, comprehensive gathering of data is undertaken. Historical sources of data may either be primary or secondary. Primary sources are there. There include remains of relic associates with persons, groups, periods, or events, fossils, skeletons, tools, weapons, utensils, clothing, furniture, pictures, painting, coins, arts, objects, etc. Overall are included in historical research. Documents classified as primary are characters, law, court, running, official reports, autobiography letters, diaries, deeds, will, declarations, certificates, bills, received, newspapers, magazines, advertisement, maps, inscriptions. diagrams, books, pamphlets, films, painting, recording, research reports overall are included in historical research and include the historical secondary sources. The writer of the secondary sources was not on the scheme of the event. Secondary source data are usually limited word because of the usually that results when information is passed on from one person to another. History books. Step second, criticism. The second step necessitates a comprehensive review of gathered materials. The process of document review has a two-pronged activity: external criticism or internal criticism. External criticism establishes the validity by determining the authorities of the course. It is a preliminary and preparatory steps providing data to be used in the second phase known as internal criticism. External criticism primarily deals with relating to form, appreciations rather than meaning of contents, while internal criticism weighs the testimony of the document in relation to the truth. Internal criticism determines the reliability by correct interpreting the contents of the documents, the use of original authentic sources, awareness of one's own basis, the subscription of the document in questions by another collaborating sources, safeguards used to ensure that interpretations the correct. To ensure reliability, the researcher examines each document to make sure that the meaning of that statements was clearly understood. This process is entails seeking collaboration with individuals who may have witnessed the events in question, as well as determining the meaning of words, phrases, colloquialism unique to that time period. Once authenticity established, the next step is to establish the validity of the content, determine the accuracy of the statement. Presentation of the facts. A well-written history provides information of the conditions of the past. The writing of the history document carefully evidence of the following facts. Over signifying of the facts. Over generalization from insufficient evidence. Failure to establish difference between significant tribal facts. Use secondary data. Personal bias, a dull and colorless style, failure to interpret words, expressions, the light of their usage in earlier times, advantage of disadvantage of historical research. Advantage permits investigation of topics and questions that can be studied in no other fashion. Cannot control for threats to internal validity. Limitations are imposed due to the content analysis. Researcher cannot ensure representing of the sample. Areas of history, historical research, periods, geographical locations, electoral history, methods, tools, contemporaries, collaborations, photography, historical evidence, change log, human evolution, social change, contemplations, collaborations is a further support provided by the exciting evidence about the events. Photography, a methodological tool, the concern of all information about individual in a given period. Historical revision. It is traditionally used tool in a completely natural sense to describe the work on idea of historian who has revised a previously accepted view of the particular topic. Change log or report or change made or a project, such a website or software project. Human evolution, process of change and development of evolution by which human beings emerged as a distinct species. social case studies in the natural institutions, the social behavior or social relations. Thanks. The digital version, Jyoti Vidyapeeth 2.0. Any problem, any person, comment in comment box and resolve their problem. Thank you.